Dear students, we have discussed the uh, dividend discount model in detail in this chapter. We have seen three different cases. Case 1, we have seen the zero growth model where there is no growth for dividend, simply constant dividend will be paid, same dividend will be paid year after year, where we have used the formula dividend divided by cost of capital. Next case, we have seen the constant growth rate of dividend to increase, like a particular rate forever. In that case, the formula we have used the perpetuity, the constant growth dividend model. The case 2 is constant growth dividend model. The formula we used is D1 divided by R minus G. D1 is D0 1 plus growth divided by cost of capital minus the constant growth rate. The challenging situation come when there is a different stages of growth, like 2 stage, 3 stage growth of dividend will be there. In we have seen two scenarios where there are 2 stage growth models we have seen. One is the initial dividend paid is current dividend paid is $2 and the growth for first 3 years is 8%, thereafter it is 4% forever. Cost of capital is 12%. We have calculated the price of the stock 28.61 through the two-stage growth model in the spreadsheet easily. Similarly, another exercise we have seen where the same kind of cost of capital is 15% and the first 5 year the growth will be 15% and thereafter forever the growth will be from sixth year and forever growth will be 10%. Again, two-stage growth are there. We calculated the price. Now we are going to see three-stage growth model. How? Here is the question. The current dividend the company paid is $1.5 and the cost of capital of the required rate of return is 11%. The perpetuity growth is 6%, means it will reach after the three stages of growth will finish. Let us see how it happens. You see here, the first 28% growth will continue for 3 years. So first the high growth will be there for first 3 years, very high growth, that is 28%. Thereafter the growth will reach to 17% for next 7 years. From year 4 to year 11, the growth will be 17%. And thereafter from year 12 to year 15 the growth will be 6%, and from 16 year onward the growth will be forever, it will reach 6%. How we will do that? Very simple, because as per cash outflow method, manually it might take a lot of time, but electronically, that's in the spreadsheet programming, it becomes not that difficult. How? Current dividend is D0 is 1.5. Then we will calculate the D1. D1 is equal to D0 1 plus growth. Then it will be D1. Then for example, say for example these are not there. How we will calculate? D2 is equal to D1 multiplied by 1 plus growth rate. 1 plus growth rate, that is 28%, bracket close, enter. So once you do this, then go down and fill down. Select the range of data where you want to copy that formula and control D, the formula will be filled. Now present value is equal to what you want to do here. So the present value formula is equal to, just a minute, yeah. So this is equal to, use the formula PV, and first of all we want to give the rate. Rate will be 11%, and we will copy the formula down. That's why we'll freeze the rate 11%, because that is the rate we want to use from year 1 to year 15, comma, number of periods, that is the first year you are getting the dividend 1.92, comma, PMT. There is no in between payment, only one payment, so comma, future value will be kept in minus 1.92 dividend you received after 1 year. Enter. Then once you get this, select the cells where you want to copy the data, Control D, you will get the present value of the dividends. Then you got the present value of 15 dividends as 46.83. Now what we will have to do in the, what will be the price, stock price in year 15? Stock price in year 15 is equal to dividend in year 16 divided by R minus G, isn't it? So stock price in year 15 is equal to dividend in year 15 multiplied by 1 plus growth. Growth rate is, perpetual growth rate is 6% divided by R minus growth. R is equal to 11% minus growth is equal to 6%. Enter. So the price will be 357. Now you want to get the present value of that price, isn't it? Present value of 357. 357 is in the 15th year. So what is the present value today? First of all, we need to fix the rate. Rate is equal to 11%, right? Comma. What next we need? NPER, number of period. When you are getting that 357 after 15 years. So 15 years is the number of period. What is the in between payment, PMT? Nothing. So comma, future value minus that value 357 or something like that you said, that is equal to 357, bracket close, enter, is equal to 74.62. So stock price is equal to the present value of dividends, that is 46.83, plus 74 is the price after 15 years, will be the current stock price. We have used the three-stage growth model here. Growth stage 1, 28%, growth stage 2, 17%, growth stage 3, 6%, and after that perpetuity from year 16 and onward, the growth will be 6%. Sometime it will be less than 6%, 3%, any. So here three-stage growth are used. It can be also multi-stage, maybe 4 or 5-stage growth also you can do in the same way we have done here. So I am sure this method you must have liked this, and any growth will come, you can handle this. So this is the way we calculate for multi-stage growth. Just a minute. Let me stop the recording.